How to recover a suspended Shopee account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a suspended Shopee account. To regain access to your Shopee account, certain information will be necessary. Firstly, submit a report to Shopee, including IDs such as your government IDs, company IDs, or student IDs. Once you're done, after that, make sure to clarify in the report exactly why you think Shopee should reinstate your account. Then, wait for a few hours up to a few days and make sure to check your email for updates. So this is how you can recover a suspended Shopee account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.